day 2 of the Telly Track. Wrong turn. Off to a great start. No.
A tough morning, kick things off, straight up a wrong turn.
Had to get the max trucks out.
Close call on the old rolly roll. 2 k's down the road, we threw an engine light scan tool out of big stonk and something to EGR, so just delete that shit. Gunshot in 8 k's.
Holy dooly. Take the tinny down that. Not gonna lie, I'm shitting myself a little bit. I think they've rethought taking the troopy down with the boat attached. How was that?
Oh, it's fucked.
They're getting a workout today.